Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called buttonhole bar stitch. This is a very pretty stitch which you can use for flower petals, leaves and for other designs. You can also put this buttonhole bar stitch for inserting the hooks in your dress materials like blouses. Now I'll show you how to put this buttonhole bar in a flower. Insert the needle in the center circle and put a straight stitch in one petal. Once again put another straight stitch nearby for the petal. Now we have finished 2 straight stitches so that it will be thicker, and now insert your needle below the stitches, thread below the needle and pull over. We have finished one buttonhole stitch. Same way put another buttonhole stitch. See here, I am not inserting the needle in the fabric, just pass the needle through the stitches and your thread should be below the needle. I have finished 4 stitches now. Coming to the 5th stitch, same way insert the needle, thread below the needle and pull over. See, this is the 6th stitch. I'll put one more stitch. Always be careful that the number of stitches should be the same for all the petals. I am putting 7 buttonhole bar stitch for each petal. Now insert back. We have finished one petal. And coming to the next petal, again insert the needle in the center circle and put 2 straight stitches for the next petal. One, and 2 straight stitches. With this stitch we shall put the buttonhole bars, insert the needle through the stitches, thread below the needle and pull over. Once again insert it, thread below the needle, and this is the 3rd stitch. Again 4th stitch, 5th stitch, 6th stitch and 7th stitch. Now we'll finish this petal and come to the next petal. In this same way I'll finish all the 8 petals for this sunflower and come back to you. Now I have finished all the 8 petals, and in the center with black thread we shall put few French knots and finish the flower. I hope you are clear about this buttonhole bar stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends and put a like. For my previous videos, go to the links in the description. Now we have finished this sunflower. How beautiful it looks. I hope you are clear about this stitch now. and this is the back view of the stitch. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you.